it's okay. Guys, I'm being serious.
Let's just finish the episode, okay?
No, you have to tell me right now.
I can't do that.
Give mommy's water also. Please. So plain our food. Like parang
That's really good though.
they are eating our cream chicken mushroom. Becomes your favorite, guys, right?
Mama's cream chicken.
Yeah, this is my favorite.
I just
This
hate
is water.
it.
It's water.
Alright. Thanks, Mom.
Sayang our watermelon.
Why?
Was not it was
Not right?
it was rotten.
Often, but you told me it wasn't even right when you bought it.
I know.
They like
That's
you.
why I wait. No.
Need some mushrooms. If I don't use a live, would you be watching the rest of it? Okay, so
Yes. Nah, I knew it. I knew it, dude.
No, it's not. He
He's
said.
Trojan horse. Huh? Wait, what? Your
I don't
case.
know. But
Please. That's it, dude.
Just finish that. I was trying to get mushrooms, but apparently I didn't mushroom.
becomes your favorite now. The chicken is it's tender, right?
But yeah, chicken's good. The sauce is perfect. It's not like some chicken that I've been getting alat, not like the hummus chicken. With the sauce and the mushrooms. Make it so
Really
good.
good. Perfect lang the taste now.
Yeah.
This adds flavor actually. The rosemary. Right? Let's eat, guys!
That's what they're doing.
The only thing with this is you're gonna eat a lot of rice when you're eating it.
Yeah.
That's why I
Chicken great.
yeah. I remember a lot of rice with this. Shouldn't eat a lot of rice.
You can't use the brown rice.
Yeah.
Use the rice.
I should eat brown rice.
The chicken's so good.
You can bring some later.
Please drop me.
Have your
Please drop me.
Yeah, I'm trying to do it now, so
yeah, you should build some.
Guys, like and subscribe to my mom's channel so we can collab with Alvana Alwani and then
Ivana.
cut that part out.
Alright, so we're done. Thank you for the really chicken mushroom.
Thanks, Mom.
This is our Sunday dinner.
Like and subscribe so we can reach our goal subscribers. How many subscribers, Mom?
1,000.
Help my mom for 1,000
how many
subscribers.
subscribers are on there?
470.
Yeah, we can do that, right?
We can do that. Here. After that, we need to on the road to 1 million.
That's a lot. Cannot even go to 1,000.
We're gonna make it. Let's go.
Alright, so we have to go. Bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys.
Like and
Thank you so
subscribe.
much. See you again soon on my next vlog. Bye!
Bye.
Don't like and subscribe because my mom.
Bye, guys! See you soon!
Bye.